So when you come to the sliding door, this is what it'll look like. So you got a plastic cover there. Obviously the handles are electric, so that will need disconnecting. Pull this little grey clip out. I can do it one-handed, like that. So that's disconnected now. And that, I have loosened this already. I've just had to play about with it, but that, I can take that off. That's out of the way. And then there's a T30 screw there, and another one there that holds that in. So just unscrew them. Then once they're unscrewed and that's unplugged, this will come away. The handle, this back plate here, will be removed with a bit of force. Just a quick tug, and then that brings your handle out. One handle. So, door handle removal. So you've got two holes. This is covered by a grommet. Just pull that off. But in here, what you're searching for is a spring. There'll be a hole with a spring. If I can find it. So once you're on it, make sure the handle's in, spring pushed in, and release the handle. And that will just come out. Next step, take this bolt out. So that's a T20 bolt. So that, I'll get a tool behind that. That out like that. Rubbers off. Rubbers off.